Aaron, Damien, you both ask me, Raymond, how do you look like this? Well, I'll fucking tell you. We're gonna do a carefully planned, step-by-step, routine to figure it out together. Let's do this. 1, find your favorite shirt of all time. Spit on it. Wanna know why? I'll tell you why, because we're gonna grow out of this motherfucker. Fuck, that was my favorite shirt. Step 2, put some fucking pants on. No one wants to see that shit. Step 3, find the nearest Spider-Man shirt and put it on. You're gonna slay maximum pussy in that bad boy. Let's do this. I'm gonna say next step because I forgot what fucking step I'm on. Fuck, cunt. Next step, get annoyed at your fucking gardeners, then go in the garage that you got your workout setup in. You're gonna find some pre-workout, alright? You're gonna wanna fucking drink. If you don't got any, come and work. That's fine. Tastes the same, works the same. Don't ask me how I know. Take that shit like you're fucking beating your meat, baby. After you drink it, throw up a little bit, because that's fucking disgusting. Next step. Cunt. Now I've been a little silly, but now we're gonna get serious. Now you're gonna wanna do your exercises. You wanna start with these circles. Go back, crisscross, 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 crisscross. Once you're nice and limber, we're gonna do every single exercise 3 times and 10 reps each, except for some. Start with something nice, you know, not too heavy, not too light. 2, 3. The next step, all you're gonna do is fucking inject some steroids and then you're fucking good to go. Just do that like 8 times a week and you're fucking good. Thanks for training with Raymond. Oh, you're just a fucking barbarian.